Howdy. Welcome to Papa John's World. Do you know danger lurks around every corner? And it's always good to keep your eyes open and pay attention. Yesterday, when we were splitting wood, I noticed something on my little dump trailer. I noticed that bolt sticking out a little bit. So I reached down and I touched it. Look at that. The nut completely sheared off. You can look at the end of the bolt and see where it's looks like it's been that way for maybe quite a while. A little rust on it. Why it did that, I have no idea. That's why you kind of need to look at your equipment when you're walking around it. It's a good habit to get into. Let's see if we can change those out before something bad would have really happened. So these are grade 8 bolts, and these are grade 3s. If you can see, it's got 3 little stars. These are about the softest bolts you can get. This could be grade 5 too. Anyway, this is a grade 8. It's a harder bolt. This is a nylon lock nut. We're going to change those out. And I bought them a little bit longer. They can be a little loose in there, but I wanted to get a full thread on that nut. The old ones didn't really have a full thread on the nut. That's important for a nylon nut, for the bolt to stick out a couple of threads, at least 3. Let's see if we can get those changed out. I like how there's no threads where these two pieces meet, but I wanted it to be at least tight. So I found them 5/8 lock washers. I'm going to put some blue Loctite on it. I don't want these to come loose. And even with nylon nuts, I don't think the Loctite will hurt anything. Get those tightened up. Oh, good and tight. Okay. Now, we'll cut them off without getting that hot. That's just water. Those edges are really sharp. I wanted to grind them up a little bit. Make sure nobody got cut. Should be good. A little bit loose, but they're tight, so we're good. Thanks for watching Papa John's World.